Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Here is an opportunity for you dear students from IIT Delhi. Yes, when you will go to the official website of IIT Delhi, here you can see Undergraduate Summer Research Fellowship 2025 at IIT Delhi. Here you can see options how to apply, notification, guidelines, format of rank certificate, format of NSC or other things. Here when I will click on the notification, because right now we need to know who are eligible, how to apply, what is the procedure. So when you will click here, the notification, you can see this detailed notification will be out for you. So what is this? Let's read out. Undergraduate Summer Research Fellowship Program 2025 at IIT Delhi. Okay. Now here first of all duration. So the fellowship work can be done in the period of 8 to 12 weeks. Okay guys. Second, support. The fellowship will cover the following cost of travel. Yes, surely train or sleeper has only within the country to and from IIT Delhi. Stay at IIT Delhi during the visits, including boarding and lodging in the institute hostel. And fellowship of rupees 500 per week. Okay, this will include. The student will register at IIT Delhi as a visiting student. She or he will not be required to pay institute registration fees even. The selected student will be required to get himself or herself insured against any eventuality for the period of stay at this institute. The student will have to bear the insurance charges. The insurance should cover accident and accidental. Okay. Now, where I will come to the eligibility. Second is eligibility. Any undergraduate student who is eligible, if you think yes, I want to go for this internship, then whether you are eligible or not, so bachcho, let's check it out. So any undergraduate student except student from IITs who has completed at least 2 years of study towards and is an engineering degree. So if you are in the BTech, okay, if you finished already up to the second year, then yes, you are eligible, but not for the IITs students. Okay, and is amongst top 10 positions in her or his respective programs will be eligible to apply for this fellowship. Okay, now this they mention even how to apply. So how to apply application process. The online application form is available at the following link. This is the link. As I show you this one also to apply. How to apply? They mention this link. Okay, once you will go to this link, they need to you need to register yourself, username, password, and then you can go for the next one. Sorry, the applicants will have to upload the following documents. You need to show. You need to upload these documents. Okay, they mention clearly. Now, what is this? The timeline for the various activities is as follows. The application deadline, online application portal will be open from the 27th February. It's already open and the last date will be 20th March. If you are looking bacho for this opportunity, then you can fill the form up to the 20th March. Okay. Selection list of selected students will be displayed by the second week of April 2025. Fellowship period. The fellowship can be done during the institute vacation periods, that is from 15th May to the 15th July. Okay, they mentioned this already. Now I think they mentioned some instructions, the same thing in the Hindi as well. Okay, वो English में था and the same thing they mentioned in the Hindi as well. So this is the link which I show you, but if you want to apply, you need to write down here, register, and then guideline for filling application form for summer research fellowship program. If you are looking for the guidelines, they mention here the guidelines also, how you need to fill the form, online application form, everything they mention here, what you required. Okay guys, so just go through this official website, and yes, this is a good opportunity for you if you are if you already finished your second year, okay, now in the third year, and you are looking for this good experience, then surely you should go for it. Keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.